business of my
So
own.
do I.
Oh, you do?
I do.
And that's why you work at Michael's?
I do.
What's your business?
Why is that any of your
It's because I think you're lying. That's
You're
why.
lying. You can think I'm lying all you want.
You are lying when you can't even tell me what kind of business you have.
I have an Etsy business. It's a wedding business on the
Oh, okay.
side.
Okay. Fine.
It's none of your business what I do in my personal
No,
life.
it isn't. No, it isn't. But I'll tell you, if I was planning a wedding, I sure wouldn't have someone as unfriendly as you.